Did you know AI is quietly transforming how people make money online, especially in affiliate marketing? The days of manually sifting through countless programs guessing which ones will be profitable are over. With AI, you can pinpoint high-paying affiliate programs with laser precision, automate your earnings, and scale like never before. But here's the catch. Most people don't know how to do it right. They either waste time on low-converting offers or fall for outdated strategies. So today, let's break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI to find and maximize the most profitable affiliate programs. No fluff, just real strategies that work. Now, before we dive in, quick note, this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a financial professional for personalized guidance. All right, let's get to it. Step 1. Understanding what makes an affiliate program profitable. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer high commissions but low conversions. Others convert well but don't pay enough to be worth your time. To find the sweet spot, you need to analyze commission structure, one-time payout versus recurring revenue, conversion rate, the percentage of people who actually buy after clicking, average order value, AOV. Higher AOV means higher commissions. Payout terms, how often and how reliably you get paid. AI tools can process all of this data instantly, helping you avoid guesswork. But how do you actually use AI to get this information? Let's move to Step 2. Step 2. Using AI to identify high-paying, high-conversion programs. Manually researching affiliate programs is time-consuming. AI simplifies this by scanning thousands of options and ranking them based on profitability. Here's how. Affiliate networks and scraping AI. Platforms like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact offer massive databases of affiliate programs. AI tools like Appify or web scrapers can extract real-time data on commissions, conversion rates, and customer reviews to help you find the best opportunities. ChatGPT and Claude for affiliate research. You can prompt AI to analyze commission structures, customer behavior, and even suggest niches with high demand. Example, list the top affiliate programs with recurring revenue in the finance niche. AI-powered SEO tools. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush use AI to identify keywords with high commercial intent. Why does this matter? If an affiliate program ranks for high-intent keywords, like best credit card for travel rewards, it likely converts well. AI competitor analysis. Ever wonder which affiliate programs top marketers are promoting? AI-driven competitor tools like SimilarWeb and SpyFu reveal the programs your competitors use and how much traffic they drive. By leveraging these tools, you can instantly filter out low-value programs and focus only on the ones that bring real profits. But once you've found the right programs, how do you drive traffic to them? That's where Step 3 comes in. Step 3. Automating traffic and conversions with AI. Most affiliate marketers struggle because they rely on outdated traffic methods. AI changes the game by automating content creation, optimization, and ad targeting. Here's how. AI-written content for SEO. Tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai generate SEO-friendly blog posts that rank on Google. Example, if you're promoting a high-ticket affiliate program in the fitness niche, you can use AI to write a 2,000-word article on the best home gym equipment for 2024, embedding links naturally. AI-generated video content. Platforms like Pictory and Synthesia create YouTube videos without you having to be on camera. Video content has higher engagement rates, and AI helps produce professional, high-retention content in minutes. AI-optimized ad campaigns. Meta and Google Ads use AI to optimize affiliate marketing campaigns in real time. Instead of manually adjusting bids and targeting, AI does it for you, ensuring you reach the right audience at the lowest cost. Chatbots and AI funnels. Chatbots powered by GPT-4 can automate lead capture and sales. Imagine a chatbot that interacts with your website visitors, recommends products, and directs them to affiliate links based on their responses. This is already happening. Now, all of this sounds great, but the real magic happens when you scale. Step 4. Scaling and diversifying with AI. The most successful affiliate marketers don't rely on just one traffic source or platform. AI allows you to scale faster by automating social media, AI-powered scheduling tools like Predis.ai create and post affiliate content across Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest without manual effort. Predicting trends. AI tools like TrendSpider and Exploding Topics analyze consumer behavior and predict the next big trends. This lets you jump on high-converting programs before the competition. Building AI-powered authority sites. With AI, you can automate niche website creation. Example, using AI tools like Surfer SEO, you can optimize an entire website around best investing platforms and dominate search rankings with AI-generated content. Final thoughts. The future of AI in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is no longer about blindly promoting links, it's about data-driven decisions. AI lets you find high-paying, high-converting programs instantly, automate content, ads, and traffic generation, scale with minimal effort while maximizing profits. The affiliate marketers who embrace AI now will dominate in the coming years. So which strategy from today's video are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And if you want to see how AI is reshaping other online money-making opportunities, there's a must-watch video waiting for you. Click on the screen and I'll see you there.